Hello everyone. Our today's topic is Kirchhoff rules. Okay. And the first rule of Kirchhoff is either we call it the junction rule or the current rule. And the statement is at any junction the algebraic sum of all the current is 0. Okay, this is the statement, and which means, see, if we take this two arrow, if we take this one now, this wires arranged in this form, here the incoming current is I1 and I2. Okay, and this outgoing current we have taken I3. And the sign, we have to use the sign also, because we have used the term algebraic means either plus or minus sign we have to use. So the incoming current we will take it as positive, so I1 plus I2, and the outgoing current we will take it as negative, it means minus I3. And the sum of this all currents at any junction at here, at this point will be is equals to 0. So we can say the current approaching at the junction will be is equals to current leaving the junction. Okay, this is the statement. Or we can see that this one. Here 1 ampere is here and here 2 ampere. So the incoming current, this I1 and 2, here यहाँ पे कितना current flow होगा? The sum of these two currents, 1 plus 2, that means 3 ampere. And the current approaching we have taken by positive sign, and the current leaving we have taken it by negative sign. When you will solve it, so you will get 0. It means algebraic sum at any junction will be is equals to 0. Okay, now we will solve this diagram. See, what's the given in that? Here 3 ampere is given, here 4 ampere, and here. Kitna current hoga? 3 plus 4, then at this point the current will be 7 ampere. And the one arrow is here, 1 ampere here, and here 7 ampere is incoming, 1 ampere outgoing होगी तो कितना बचा? 6 ampere will come. Okay, then at this point 2 ampere, in 6 ampere 2 ampere leaves, so how much current is left? 4 ampere. So the answer, this I will be is equals to 4 ampere. It means we have followed the current approaching towards the center will be is equals to current leaving the center. And this law is based on principle of conservation of charges. Okay, this law is based on the principle of conservation of charges. This is all about the first law. Okay, now our Kirchhoff's second rule is either we call it as the voltage rule or loop theorem. In this, the algebraic sum of potential around any closed circuit is 0. In this, we have taken the closed circuit. Here EMF E1, E2, and 3 resistors we have used R1, R2 and R3. Okay, now we will allow the current to pass through the circuit diagram. Here in this part, we have to make the loop. Okay, solve करने के लिए हम इसमें loop बना देंगे. I have taken the loop in this direction, in the upper half, and in this direction, in the same direction we will take. Okay? Here, in this direction, it means the current will flow here in this I1, and in this part I2, and in this part it will be I3. Okay? Now, जिस direction में आपने loop लिया है, उसी direction में आपको इसकी equation बनानी होगी. Okay, we have taken the loop in this direction, so here the voltage around this R1 will be I1 R1. Okay, now here, if the negative side comes first, अगर आपकी current की direction में negative side आती है, तो you will take it as minus. So here minus E1, and here if it comes in this half ना, इसमें ये I1 भी, in this I2 plus I2 R2 is equals to 0. Algebraic sum of the potential in any closed circuit will be is equals to 0. This is the equation for the first half. Now for the second half, in this direction the current is flowing. आप यहाँ से start करते हैं. This one. अगर आप ऐसे जाएंगे तो this positive side comes ना, so we will take it as E2. आगे की तरफ this I3 is flowing in this R3, so plus I3 R3. Now if we go in this direction, आप इस direction में जाओगे, लेकिन I2 इस direction में flow कर रहा है, आप opposite direction में जा रहे हो, so you will take it as minus I2 R2 is equals to 0. This how you have to make the equation, and in this equation we have written the potential around any closed circuit will be always equals to 0. Okay, and this Kirchhoff's second law is based on the conservation of energy. It's totally based on the conservation of energy. The first rule was based on the conservation of charge, and this one is based on the conservation of energy, since the potential around any closed circuit, the algebraic sum of that potential will be is equals to 0. Okay, and the second, it means we have completed the second rule now. Okay, here is the table which shows the difference between the first rule of Kirchhoff and the second rule. The first rule is totally based on the conservation of charge, and the second rule is based on the conservation of energy. And here second, the algebraic sum of the current is equals to 0, and in second one, the algebraic sum of the potential around any closed circuit will be is equals to 0. Here we can use the open circuit and the closed circuit. The open circuit we have used this one, and the closed circuit also you can use. But in the second rule, you have to use the closed circuit only, because closed circuit में ही आप loop को flow करा सकते हो. You can make the loop. Okay, this all about the Kirchhoff first rule and second rule. Okay, here we are going to solve one numerical which is based on the KVL. KVL means Kirchhoff voltage law. Okay, in this, what we will do, we will solve this. We will make the loop only. So the first loop we are making here is this one, this here. Okay, this part. So we will make the current to flow. See, in this part I1 is, इस part में I2 है. At A ये दोनों mix होकर यहाँ आएंगे, तो the sum will be, the current will be I1 plus I2 here in this circuit. Okay, so the make the loop. Now in this R, the current will be I1 plus I2 into R means 12. Okay, the voltage IB, IR. Then we comes here. Here the resistance 1 ohm. देखो I2 flow करके जा रहा है ना इसमें, तो इसमें कौन सा करंट होगा? I2. So it will be equals to 1 into I2. Okay, now here this one, when we comes here the negative potential आया, so negative we will take it as minus 10, which will be equals to 0. This is your first loop. Now for the second loop we will take this one. Upper half लो गया, ये नीचे वाला नहीं लोगे, सिर्फ upper half, this one. Okay, so here same, from here the current will flow, तो ये आएगा I1 plus I2 into 12. Then we comes here. इसमें कौन सा करंट है upper half में? I1. So it will be equals to 0.5 I1. देखो negative potential comes now, so we will take it as minus 6 is equals to 0. This is the equation for this KVL. Okay, now you have to solve this equation. Either you can solve it by elimination or substitution. When you will solve it, so I1 will come to be minus 2.27 ampere and I2 will comes out to be 2.86 ampere. Okay, these are the current, and this how we have to solve the circuit diagram which is based on the KVL. Okay, here is the second question on KVL. We have to make the equation here. So we take the points here A, B, C, and this one we take it as D. So here we have the 3 closed loop. आपके पास 3 closed loop होंगे. First one will be A, B, D, A, and second one will be A, C, D, A, and third one will be B, C, and we take it as E. Okay, now first one we will apply in the A, B, D, A here. Okay, so we will take here the current. देखो current sub direction it is given in the question only. So this one is the 4 ohm and the current in this one will be I1 minus I3. So it comes out to be 4 I1 minus I3. Then if it comes here, the current here is, see, the current यहाँ पर कितना है I1 minus I3. I2 is also coming at this point. So they will add up and they will come in this part. So here it will be I1 minus I3 plus I2. Okay. So the current will be in 2 ohm will be 2 I1 minus I3 plus I2. And in this part 1 into I1. And here negative side comes first now. So we will take it as minus 10 is equals to 0. This is the loop in the ABDA part. Now ACDA part it comes out to be, if we go in this direction, then 4 into I3, okay, plus 2 में कितना होगा I3 is here, ठीक है, I2 बाहर निकल गया तो यहाँ पर कितना होगा I3 minus I2. So in 2 ohm the current will be I3 minus I2 and here plus 1 into I1. Again negative sign comes, minus 10 is equals to 0. Now in the third loop here, so the current flow in this direction. So in this loop 2 I1 minus I3 plus I2. Okay, and in this part देखो हम अपना loop ऐसे flow करा रहे हैं. In this part current is going in the upward direction, so we will take it as the negative. So here it comes out to be minus 2 I3 minus I2, and in this part EMF it negative side पहले आया, so we will take it as minus 5 is equals to 0. And when we will solve this equation, it comes out to be I1 is equals to 2.5 ampere, okay, and I2 will be is equals to 1.875 ampere, and I3 will also be equals to 1.875 ampere.